Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here we will talk about the Infinite Magicraid Ulogin error code, failed one. The error reads, Ulogin error code, failed one. This error typically pops up when players try to log in, especially those who are using their Facebook account to log in. While the exact cause remains a mystery, it's likely that a bug within the game is causing issues with the Facebook login. But enough about the problem. Let's dive into the solutions. The first course of action is simple. Close the game and reboot your phone. Once your device powers up again, try logging into the game. If the error still looms large, it's time to check for any pending updates. Navigate to your app store and see if there is an update waiting for Infinite Magicraid or even your phone's software. If you spot any, install them post-haste and check the game again. Suppose the problem persists. In that case, it's time to uninstall Infinite Magicraid from your phone and restart your device. Once your device is back in action, head to the App Store, reinstall the game, and try logging in again. But what if the error still haunts you? Well, we have one more trick up our sleeves. Remove the game from your Facebook account and try logging in again. Here's how you do it. Open Facebook and log into your account. Tap the menu icon from the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. 4. Select Settings. Navigate to the Your Activity section. Select Apps and Websites. Choose Infinite Magicraid from the list of apps. Select Remove and follow the on-screen options. After these steps, launch Infinite Magicraid and see if the error has finally taken a hike. In conclusion, the Infinite Magicraid Ulogin error code, failed one, is a common error but not an unbeatable one. Whether it's a simple device reboot, updating the game or your phone software, reinstalling the game, or removing it from your Facebook account, there are several solutions at your disposal. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.